y'all? Que la que hay, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial on some products that I tried out for the very first time. They are called Rizos Curls. It is a brand that basically helps strengthen, nourish, and deeply moisturizes hair, promotes hair growth, and controls frizz. It's good, really good for women who, just want to take care of their hair, who have curly hair, and, just wanting have healthier hair without using all these chemicals. Because honestly, with all these products, they have no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens, which are all really good features in products not to have. So I would definitely recommend you guys to definitely use it. I've used it for the last like 4 or 5 days. Definitely love these products, and I'm definitely gonna end up buying more. So if you do want to stay tuned and find out how I ended up getting, just my curly sues under control, and whether or not I loved the whole process in general, stay tuned. And of course, I am wearing it in my hair right now. Of course, I'm, recording this late at night after a whole day, but I feel like my hair is just so much more defined when it comes to the curls. So yeah, stay tuned so you guys can see an up close version. For today, I actually didn't use the blow dryer, so that is something that I didn't use, but my hair still ended up looking fly as shit. Okay. But yeah, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like this video, and comment down below on whether or not you have products that you would want me to try out on camera so that everyone can learn about them. Because honestly, I thought this was a pretty cool thing, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my experience with this brand that I honestly just discovered out of nowhere. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going in with the hydrating shampoo. It is shea butter and moringa oil. All of Rizos Curls products do not include sulfates, silicones, and parabens. And just a tip for anyone out there, when you're washing your hair, you want to make sure that you're getting a lot of that soapy texture out of it. Because if you're not, then are you really washing your hair? Just going in on my 702. I was jamming. I really was, guys. I really was. Now I'm going in with the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is the same thing, no sulfates, silicones, or parabens, and it actually includes olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. These products definitely have a beautiful scent to them, all of them. Individually, they include different products, but they all kind of come together as one. And now I'm just letting the conditioner sit on my head for a little bit while I just joke around a little. And now it's time to wash it out. And if you even look at it, it looks like I literally just put butter in my hair because it's so freaking smooth. Now I'm just combing out my hair, making sure I get all the tangles out. That way that I can go ahead and apply the curl defining cream and making sure that it is on every inch and a piece of my hair. Go ahead and add the curl defining cream. And I just squirt a little bit on my hand, and I'm going ahead and starting with the bottom, then moving up to the top, and kind of just making sure that I get the very tip and root of my hair, that way that it's literally in the beginning and it falls everywhere. Want to make sure that you're putting just enough, cream. No matter what kind of products you use, you want to make sure that you're adding just enough, because it definitely is going to make a difference when you see the finishing touch. And to be honest, guys, I definitely was not sure what I was going to be getting myself into, but these products are definitely lovely. Now I'm going in with the blow dryer, just going ahead and just, I think it's called fusing, I'm not really sure. But this is the first time I actually used this, and it did definitely make a difference. I enjoy both, without the blow dryer and also with the blow dryer. It definitely gives it a good look. Definitely creates a lot of volume. If that's what you're going for, that is what you need to do to get that look. You guys already see that is actually the end maintained look. My curls literally look like it, you know, it was smothered in gel, to be quite honest. They were nice and tapped, nice and tight. My curls itself, it doesn't look like I even added so much product to the point where it just looks crispy. In person, it just looked amazing. I love it. Alright guys, so I just finished using the Curl Defining Cream by Rizos Curls. I hope you guys are definitely able to see how beautiful and voluminous it looks. I definitely used the blow dryer, but honestly, I'm gonna be going back for more. These products are very, very, very good. I would definitely recommend them to you guys. And yeah, so I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up so we can come out with more hair tutorials, just letting you guys know what products I love, what products maybe I'm curious about and want to review for you guys. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments down below if you've ever heard of Rizos Curls, if this is your first time, if you bought the products, if you want to know how it goes. Let your girl know. Time to end this video.